you doing, folks? Bring Danger here. We're out here living life beyond the trail. You're gonna have to find some random forms of protein every now and again. So today, I'm hunting for some squirrel. I had one tracked down here earlier, so I brought my blow dart. That's what we're gonna hunt with today. Now, these darts, although effective, could pass right through it. So I put a very strong poison all over this dart from a poisonous tree frog deep in the heart of the Amazon. I think this, is it this one? That's it.